Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about IC723 as a high voltage regulator. We have previously studied this IC723 as a low voltage regulator. Today we can study IC723 is a high voltage regulator. This IC723 as a high voltage regulator can desirably produce output voltage more than 7 volts. Okay, here in this IC723 high voltage regulator, the non-inverting terminal is directly connected to the reference voltage pin through the resistance R3. It is directly connected to the reference voltage through resistance R3 in the pin 6. Okay, so the voltage gain is given by AV is equal to 1 plus R 1 divided by R2, that is voltage output voltage is equal to 7.15 into 1 plus R1 divided by R2. This original circuit of IC723 as a high voltage regulator does not provide any current protection. So it does not provide any current protection because when a load demands high currents, when a load demands high current to the circuit provides a provides a constant high output voltage. So this may damage the IC, which may burst. Okay, so we are going for a current limit protection circuit. Okay, so this circuit needs a current limit protection circuit. Okay, this current limiting means that refers to the ability of the regulator to prevent the load current from increasing the above to a present value. Okay, ability of the load current from increasing the above a present value. The characteristics, that is the characteristics curve of a current limited power supply is given as the characteristics of current limited power supply is given as, that is V load is in y axis, I limit is in x axis. Okay, this maximum is V naught. Okay, this is the characteristics curve. Here the output voltage remains constant. Okay, the output, here we can see that the output voltage remains constant for load current below I limit. Okay, as the current approaches to the limit, the ideal output drops. Okay, as the current approaches the limit, the ideal I limit value drops. Okay, so the current limit is set by connecting the external resistor RSC between the terminals CS and CL, that is CL and CS. Okay, the CL terminal is also connected to the terminal, that is output terminal V0. Okay, the CS terminal is also connected to the output terminal V0 and CS terminal is connected to the load. Okay, CL terminal is connected to the output terminal V0 and CS terminal is connected to the load. The load current produces a small voltage drop. That voltage drop is called V sense, that is across RAC, across the resistance RAC. This voltage sense, that is V sense, is applied directly to the base emitter transistor of Q2. Okay, this V sense is applied directly to the base emitter of transistor Q2. When the voltage is approximately 0.5 volt, when the voltage is approximately 0.5 volt, the transistor begins to on. Now a part of current from the error amplifier goes to the collector of transistor Q2. Okay, now a part of current from the error amplifier goes to the collector of transistor Q2, thereby decreasing the base current of Q1. Okay, now the base current is decreased. This provides, that is, this reduces the emitter current. Okay, this reduces the emitter current of Q1. So any increase in load current will be nullified. So this reduces the emitter current. So if there is any increase in the load current, that will become 0. Okay, if load current decreases means VB, that is base to emitter voltage of transistor Q2 drops. Okay, if the load current decreases means that is base to emitter voltage of transistor Q2 will also drop. So the I limit is equal to V sense divided by RSE. So we have studied about voltage, that is IC723 as a high voltage regulator. That's all. Thank you.